What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna unbox a package from Shopee. Okay, so this is it. So 8 days ago, we just moved here in Makati. And it's been a while since I did an unboxing, so here it is. Let's open it. I bought this to a seller named NFR Cubing Merchandise, which means the initial means Nino Francis S. Reyes. Nakaka-affiliate ako, which is I have the same last name as this. Yeah. We both came from the same clan, and I don't know. And it's kind of coincidence. Because we both come from a rural city, from Makati and Taguig. He's from Cavite. So can you really do that without even using this content? Nice packaging though, very safe. And this package was very far away. Came from Cavite, yung galing pa rin sa Cavite. Finally, I have the stickerless version now, because I have the black version. Let me show you. Let me pause it for you. Okay, here's the black version. This one has QiYi promotion ambassador of Cuban culture, Chimo Fungi mascot. This one has only Chinese letters or Japanese, I don't know. Okay, let's set aside this bubble wrap. Surely I know this one has plastic cover on it. Let's remove it. I think I can do this with only using my hands. I think I can do it. Okay, good. I just want to know how different this cube, the version of the stickerless with the black one. That's why I bought this one. Very excited, but not as much because I'm 18 now and I'm not into cubes anymore. I've been playing chess a few days ago because of my phone. It died out. Hindi na gumana sa phone ko. And I'm just borrowing my mother's phone just to use a timer to scramble my cube and solve my other cubes. Okay, out of the plastic, it's a little bit greasy. The seller must have been excited for the cube. Okay. I guess let's do first turns. Very light, and I don't know if it's loose or maybe it's just very stable. Because the black one is very strong. It has a very strong magnet attraction to each other every time I turn it. Okay, let's do an example. So first two layers. Forward. I think this could be my main for the next days. I don't know, because I don't have my new phone yet. My mother is about to buy me a new phone because previously I've said earlier that my phone died. Yeah, because I did not use it for 3 days since August 12 to 15 because of my grudges. Yeah, I have full of grudges in my heart. Don't mind it. Okay, one example solve again to end this video. I think that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye. Peace, guys.